1 Minute Russian Lesson 5.
Welcome to 1 Minute Russian from the Radiolingua Network. I'm Anne, your teacher for this programme, and I'm here to teach you some Russian 1 minute at a time. We're sticking with the language topic in this lesson. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. Do you remember what "Извините, я не понимаю" means? It's "I'm sorry, I don't understand." What about "Я немножко говорю по-русски"? This means that you speak a little Russian, and hopefully you're beginning to feel more confident about your Russian now. Today we're going to learn how to say "I'm learning Russian." You would say "Я учу русский язык." Now, you'll recognise rúski in there, meaning Russian. But in this phrase, you have to say that you're learning the Russian language. Rúski yazík. I'll say it again slowly. Я учу русский язык. Try it one more time. Я учу русский язык. If you were to say this to someone, you could add in the phrase "Это довольно трудно." This means it's quite difficult. Try saying that. Это довольно трудно. Try it again. Это довольно трудно. Now, try to put both phrases together, and I'll say this slowly so that you can hear the whole phrase. Я учу русский язык. Это довольно трудно. Listen again. Я учу русский язык. Это довольно трудно. One more time. Я учу русский язык. Это довольно трудно. And that's the end of this lesson. Hopefully you're not finding Russian too difficult. Most of all, we hope that you're finding your experience learning Russian with this podcast enjoyable. In the meantime, thank you for listening, and come back next time to learn more Russian with the Radiolingua Network. Спасибо и до свидания.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.